Hello viewer, this is my continuation lecture number 2 on targeted drug delivery system. So as I was talking about the ideal characters or the ideal feature of targeted drug delivery system. Targeted drug delivery system should be biochemically inert, it should be non-toxic, it should be non-immunogenics, or it should be physically and chemically stable in vivo and in vitro conditions. The targeted drug delivery should have restricted the drug distribution to the target cells or the tissue or organs. It should have uniform capillary distribution. It should have controllables and predictable rate of drug release. The drug shouldn't affect the drug action and should have therapeutic amount of drug release, and the drug should have minimal drug leakage during transit. These are some ideal properties or the ideal characteristics of targeted drug delivery, that whenever you are going to deliver a drug to some targeted area or to some target tissue or organ, it should be non-toxic, it should be compatible with your biological system, and it should be physically and chemically stable as well as inside the body and as well as outside the body, and it should be restricted, the drug should be restricted and regarding the drug distribution to the targeted cell or the tissue or the organ. For example, we are going to target some specific area, so you will be specific to that area, and there should have uniform capillary distribution. It should be uniformly distributed, and it should have controllables and predictable rate of drug release. Mean the drug will be released in the predetermined time. The drug release shouldn't affect the drug action. So because every drug have different mechanism of action and drug release pattern, so it should have therapeutic amount of drug release, and it should have minimal drug leakage. The chances of leakage will be minimized. Look at the type of targeted drug delivery system. So, and targeted drug delivery system, you can see one is the active targeted drug delivery system, passive drug delivery system, inverse drug delivery system, double targeting, and combination targeting. And the active, or you can say the inactive targeting, the first order, it is classified into two categories, that is first order targeting, second order and third order targeting. What actually happen in the first and the passive targeting? And passive targeting, it refers to the accumulation of drug or drug carrier at the specific site, and these drugs are targeted to the systemic circulation. So in passive targeting, the drug will be accumulated or the drug carrier system at a specific site, it will be accumulated or deposited on some specific organ or tissue. So the drugs are targeted to the systemic circulation. Mean the drug will go directly into the portal circulation or systemic circulation. For what? To show the optimal therapeutic effect, to show the just to check out the you can say the therapeutic effect of the drug. So targeting is occurring because the body natural response to the physicochemical characters of the drug. For example, include the targeting of anti-malarial drugs for the treatment of leishmaniasis, brucellosis and candidiasis. So there are different mechanisms through which the drug can be delivered to the targeted site. In active targeting, the active targeting means there will be specific ligands, the receptor type interaction for the intracellular localization, which occurs only after blood circulations and extravasation. So this active targeting approach can be further classified into three different levels of targeting, which we have already explained in detail. In active targetings, there will be specific ligands, specific receptor, and with these drugs are bind with it. There will be interaction for the intracellular localization, which occurs only after the blood circulation and extravasation is occur. So this active targeting approach can be further classified into three different levels. One is the first order targeting, and then second order and third order. First order targeting referred to the restricted distribution of the drug carrier system to the capillary bed of the predetermined target site. For example, organ or tissue. For example, the